Welcome to the future of home living, where artificial intelligence brings convenience and efficiency to your fingertips. Today, we'll explore how AI can turn your ordinary home into a smart home. Step 1 is integrating smart devices. Imagine smart lights that adjust to your preferences, thermostats that learn your ideal temperature, and security cameras that understand the difference between a pet and an intruder. AI-driven virtual assistant. Meet your AI-powered virtual assistant, the brain behind your smart home. With a simple voice command, you can control devices, set reminders, or even ask about the weather. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. Personalized recommendations. AI can analyze your preferences, browsing history, and previous interactions to offer personalized recommendations for furniture, decor items, and color schemes. Virtual assistants can understand your style and suggest products that align with your taste. Smart lighting control. Virtual assistants can integrate with smart lighting systems to create custom lighting scenes based on your mood, time of day, or specific activities. This can enhance the ambience of your home and contribute to the overall decor. Automated temperature and climate control. AI-powered assistants can learn your temperature preferences and adjust heating or cooling systems accordingly. This not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to the energy efficiency of your home. Artificial intelligence art curation. Virtual assistants can analyze your art preferences and suggest pieces that match your style. They can also assist in curating and arranging artwork on your walls for an aesthetically pleasing look. Voice-activated furniture control. Some furniture items, especially those equipped with smart features, can be controlled using voice commands through virtual assistants. For example, you can adjust the recline of a smart sofa or control the height of a smart table with voice commands. Automated cleaning schedules. AI-driven virtual assistants can coordinate with smart cleaning devices to create automated cleaning schedules. This ensures that your home is always tidy and organized, contributing to a visually appealing decor. Intelligent space planning. Virtual assistants can assist in optimizing the layout and arrangement of furniture in your living spaces. They can consider factors like traffic flow, natural light, and your preferences to create a harmonious and well-balanced decor. Interactive design consultations. AI-powered virtual assistants can offer on-demand design consultations. You can discuss your ideas, and the virtual assistant can provide instant suggestions and visualizations, helping you make informed decisions about your home decor. Real-time decor updates. AI can keep you informed about the latest trends and styles in home decor. Virtual assistants can provide real-time updates on new products, design ideas, and color schemes, keeping your home decor fresh and current. Energy efficiency optimization. AI-driven systems can optimize energy usage by learning your daily routines and adjusting home systems accordingly. This not only contributes to sustainability, but can also be integrated into the overall design philosophy of your home. Adaptive learning. AI doesn't just follow commands, it learns. Your smart home adapts to your routines. It knows when you wake up, when you leave for work, and when you return. This adaptive learning ensures your home operates seamlessly. Energy efficiency. Say goodbye to wasted energy. AI optimizes energy consumption by analyzing patterns and adjusting settings. Your smart home not only saves you money, but also contributes to a greener environment. Security and safety. AI enhances home security. Smart cameras can detect unusual activities, and AI algorithms can differentiate between normal sounds and potential threats. Your home becomes a safer haven. We have reached the conclusion, as artificial intelligence is the key to transforming your home into a smart, responsive, and secure living space. Embrace the future today and experience the magic of an AI-driven smart home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon for updates.